In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export chat history in Microsoft Teams using an easy method. If you want to download a copy of your personal Teams chat data, the simplest approach is to request it directly through Microsoft's privacy tools. This method is helpful if you want to keep a personal backup, review past conversations, or save your information for reference later on. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Privacy Dashboard. This is the place where Microsoft lets you manage and request copies of the data connected to your account. Once the page loads, sign in using the same Microsoft account that you use for Teams. It's important to use the correct account here, otherwise you may not see the Teams data you're looking for. After signing in, look for the section related to Microsoft Teams data. Depending on updates to Microsoft's layout, the wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for the area where you can manage or request your Teams information. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right section before continuing. Next, choose the option to export or download your Teams data. In some cases, Microsoft may give you different data categories or options to select from. If that's available, choose the data you want to request. This can help you make sure you're only downloading the information you actually need. Once you've made your selection, submit the request. After that, Microsoft will begin preparing your data. This part is not always instant, so don't worry if you don't get the file right away. In many cases, you'll need to wait while the system processes everything in the background. When your export is ready, return to the dashboard and download the file. After the file has been downloaded, open it and review the contents to find your Teams information. Depending on the format Microsoft provides, you may see your data organized in files or folders, so it's a good idea to look through everything carefully. One useful tip is to store the downloaded file somewhere secure, especially if your chat history includes private or work-related information. Also, keep in mind that this process is meant for personal Teams data tied to your account. So what's available may depend on your account type and Microsoft's current export options. That's all it takes to export your chat history in Microsoft Teams. Follow these steps carefully and you should be able to request, download, and review your Teams data without much trouble.